prophesy over your life. Every work you do shall be fruitful.
You have had bad luck with work.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You get a job, they don't pay you well.
Yes, sir.
Or you get a job, it ends.
Yes, sir.
I don't talk like a mere man. I talk as an oracle. Whatever is yours and the devil is holding now, it is going to drop now.
Praise God. Psalms 46 verse number 9. Bible says he causes wars to cease unto the ends of the earth. My name is Evan Biakama, Senior Pastor Sound of Abundance Church. On the 25th, we are having an all-night Kesha. The theme of the night is these battles must come to an end. I repeat, these battles must come to an end. I've been facing setbacks, rejection, difficulties, battle after battle. When you sleep, battles.
It's a dream people have been having for a while.
Yeah.
Of somebody dead.
Yeah.
Somebody dying.
Yeah.
A dream you've been having.
Yeah.
You had the dream, your wife had the same dream.
Yes.
And I'm seeing the devil has planned on Tuesday that as you leave the house, there will be an accident. I cancel it.
Because when you go to the office battle, in your own business battle,
The power that is planning this accident is the same power that attacked your business, because your business is not bringing profit. The same power attacked your wife's business. Your wife no longer has money again.
health battles.
Well, I have a throat problem. It started on December, so I'm not breathing well.
Everywhere you've been facing battles and you've been fighting battles for long. On the 25th, we are having all-night Kesha from 9 p.m. in the night till the dawn of day. It's going to be a night whereby every battle in your marriage, battles in your finances, battles in your health, battles with your children, battles with your business, battles in the works of your hand, and battles with demons is coming to an end. It will be a night of intense war.
There are certain doors God have opened, but there are powers that say you're not going anywhere. There are doors, even if God has given you, you have to contend for them. There are people here, Mama, you should be married, but somebody is sitting on your gate of marriage. Today, God shall remove them. Any man that has transferred your virtue, transferred your wealth, transferred your destiny, transferred your peace, transferred your progress, transferred your prosperity, transferred your wealth, I prophesy it is coming back to you, 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 coming back to you.
A night of intense prophecy.
You have been having battles upon battles. Yes, I see you have been praying for things to open, but nothing is opening. Yes, I am seeing a stagnation that has been there for long. There's a time God began to open. Adama, my eyes are open. Yes, Chala, I saw you one day. You are doing well. Things were moving for you. Yes, then you came to a place. Things began going back. Yes, I saw things begin to go back in your life. It's a woman in your life. I don't know how, but I'm seeing a woman. This woman was Kamba by name. She was Kamba by tribe. This woman dealt with you. I don't know what happened, but I saw you disagreed. Yes, you disagreed with the woman. The woman went to a witch and tied your finances. By the virtue of this altar, I release you. Amen. Any altar that speaks against you, by this altar I release you.
Amen. A night of heavy deliverance.
Under Dagadagadis Rago Shakatada. Power, 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 power.
A night of warfare.
Son, my father, any man or woman, maternal, paternal, from the office, from the church, who is hindering me from succeeding, oh God, scatter them.
I'm telling you, 25th, all battles in your life, in your business, and in your family is coming to an end. See you on 25th. Mark it in your calendar to be in Sound of Abundance. I tell you, these battles must cease. When you come, Jesus will stop the battles. See you then. God bless you.